Dear students, today I am telling a story of Wadia and Kedia. Two friends, both Wadia and Kedia, were going to their school. In the way, they saw a farmer. He was collecting something from his field. Kedia asked to his friend Wadia, "Friend, what this farmer is collecting?" His friend told, "This farmer is collecting cotton balls from cotton tree." Again, a second friend asked, "Is it primary activity or secondary activity?" He answered, "It is primary activity." Then Wadia asked, "Friend, what is the difference between primary activity and secondary activity?" Wadia's friend Kedia described that secondary activities are concerned with manufacturing, processing, and construction industries. He gave some examples. First example, in this picture, you see a lady is collecting cotton balls from trees. After collection, she will sell it in factories. By technology, by using good machines, these cotton balls, these cotton are changed in the form of yarn and cloth. He described, when cotton is changed in the form of cloth, this is secondary activity. Again, he described by giving a very popular example. He told, "Friend, you eat chips. Do you know how chips is prepared? First of all, factory owners collect potato from field. Collecting potato from field is primary activity. And when in factories potato is changed in the form of chips, this is secondary activity." Another example, fisheries, egg, and so many things. When these are changed in valuable form in industries or in other places, this is called secondary activity. At present time, we generally say secondary activities are manufacturing industries. In manufacturing industries, mainly secondary activities are done. Again, Wadia wanted to know the characteristics of modern large-scale industries. Means, characteristics of secondary activities are manufacturing industries. First characteristic is specialization of skills, methods of production. Second, mechanism. Third, technological innovation. In this picture, you see some skilled persons are preparing something from raw material. All these activities are secondary activities. Fourth characteristics of modern large-scale industry is organizational structure and stratification, and fifth, vast capital. Thanks.